Hi, in this video I'll actually be covering two washing machines, essentially because they are pretty much the same model. The first one is this, it's the Bosch WIW28300GB, and the other model is the sister one to this, which is the WIW28500GB. Now both of them are 1400 spin, 8kg wash load, and as you can see it's an integrated model. And what I'll do, I'll take you through some of the features and the benefits of these machines, and as I go along in the video I'll show you the differences between the two. So to start off with, I'll show you the layout of the machine. And what you can see here, first of all, the top left, you've got the soap drawer, and this is easily removed. It's the same on both machines. All you do is you press that button there and that comes out, and that's very easy for cleaning. So if you want to give it a good clean, then what you can do is you can actually unclip it at the front here and take the front off, and then this main part can actually go into a dishwasher. You have got this bit here, and if you are going to use powder then you'd normally keep it up, or if you're going to use liquid then you'd actually put that down, and that stops the liquid running through before it's needed in the program. And clearly here you've got the main wash pre-wash conditioner, and then that just pushes back in. As I move along, you've got the control dial, and then you've got the display on the right hand side here. So with this, when you turn the machine on, first of all what it will do is it will show you the time that the program will take. So this one will take around 3 hours 13 minutes. First of all, you can adjust the spin speed, and you can take it down to a no spin option. The other option, so you have got the finished in, that's a time delay. So if you want it to come on say during the night, then that's a great feature to have. And this one, this speed and eco, what this will do, if you are in a hurry for the wash, you can do a 40-degree cotton, and it is on a smaller load, so it's only a 5kg load, but you could wash that in just under an hour, so it's 49 minutes. And what you will find is that the performance of the wash isn't quite as good, but it's very good if you are in a hurry to get a 5kg load done. And the other option is the eco option. So if I press that, then that takes it up to 3 hours 48 minutes. So it is a longer program, but it's a lot more energy efficient. So if you're not in a hurry, if you are using it say when you're out, or if you're using it on the time delay, then you can use it for an 8kg load. Then it is a lot more energy efficient. What I'll do is I'll cover some of the programs. So clearly you've got the cotton programs, you've got the pre-wash option, and you can go around to a 90-degree cotton, which is important. And you have got things like the rinse and spin, and that will take 22 minutes. And you've got things like the spin and drain, easy care programs, and the standard woolen and delicates. What you do find if you come around to some of these programs, that again they are smaller loads, so it's a 2kg load for the woolen, and the delicates is the same. You have got fairly universal programs like the mixed load, and the night wash, this is a really good option. If you're going to use it on the time delay, then the main advantage is it is a quieter wash. It won't normally spin at the full 1400 spin speed. Other options that the 28500 model has, so other programs it has, are things like the drum clean option, which is mainly used to help keep the drum clean, as it says. And also what you'll find is you've got a 15 and 30 minute program. It's called Rapid 15, and that's mainly again for very, very small loads. It's normally for sort of 1 or 2 kilograms, and it's just really designed to freshen items up, and that one is mainly available on the 28500. So other really nice features about this machine, as you turn the machine on and as you open the door, what you will notice is that there is a light in here. I don't know if you can see that, it's just on the inside there, but it just provides some light on the machine, which can be useful, especially when you're unloading and you're not quite sure if you've forgotten that last sock that's right at the back. As you have a look in here, this is what they call a wave drum design, and this is really designed to protect the clothes, especially if you have got expensive clothes. Then it can reduce the bobbling you get on jumpers and cardigans, and also it can help to reduce the amount of ironing that's required from things like shirts or trousers. And with these paddles, these are designed as well to try and separate all the clothes, and especially things like big sheets that you can get. They're designed to keep everything apart to get the best washing performance. On the left hand side here, the hinges are very strong. They're metal hinges, not like on some of the cheaper machines that are only plastic. And also the door catch is metal as well. So all these little features that can make a difference to how long the machine lasts. Now clearly on the front of this machine and the 28500 machine, you have got the time remaining on the front. The other thing that you do get on the 28500 machine is something called time light, and unfortunately I can't really show you, but what it does is it will actually project the time that's remaining in the program on the floor. There's a little light that's located underneath the machine, and what it will do is it will actually show you the time remaining on the program, because clearly when you've got the door shut and on an integrated machine you won't be able to see that, so you'd need to open the door to see how long you've got left. It's really an excellent feature, and it's a shame I can't show you. When it comes to the installation of these machines, you do get the instructions inside, and it is normally recommended to have somebody that's fairly competent to fit these machines, especially when it comes to putting the door on. There's nothing worse than having a really nice quality machine but having the door that's misaligned. So as you can see here, you've got the two positions, and that basically means you can have the furniture door on the outside, you can have that either direction. And as we go to the bottom, another little tip that is really good when it comes to the feet. So you've got the front feet here, which you adjust, and the back feet, rather than having to try and get around the back, what they've done in these machines is you just get a flathead screwdriver, and you've got one for either side, and again these are not for the front, these are for the back. And what you do is you just put the screwdriver in there and turn it. So you, as it's saying here, you turn it clockwise for it to go down and anti-clockwise to go up. And this is really an excellent feature because it makes the installation of these so much easier. And if you have ever installed one of these before, then you will know how difficult it can be to raise the feet up. And another little feature I'll show you is this. This is like a water pipe. If you have a power cut, then what you'll want to do is to try and get all the water out of the machine. And what you can do here is just take that pipe off, and once you've taken the end off, I won't do that because there's probably some excess water in there, just get a tub or a bowl or something, and that's a really easy way to empty the machine. But what you will find is it can take a while, and you've got the access to the pump here, and again I won't open it because there'll be some water in there. Just turn it anti-clockwise, and then once you've done that, you've got access to the pump, and that's really good for catching things like coins. I'll show you the energy label on this. So clearly it's an A++ machine. This is the same on both the 28300 and the 28500. As we work our way down, this machine uses on average 157 kilowatt hours per annum. The 28500 machine is slightly more energy efficient. It's only 137, so it can cost a little bit less to run. The water consumption and the noise level on both machines are the same. So if you look at that, 67 decibels for the spinning is really good, and that's really thanks to what they call the Eco Silence drive. It's a very energy efficient motor. If you're interested in one of these machines, I have provided a link below to show you where to get one at a competitive price. I hope you enjoyed this quick video on the Bosch WIW28300GB and the sister model, the WIW28500GB. Please give us a thumbs up on a YouTube video and leave any comments below. Thanks very much.